Alright guys, we're driving in the Scenic View Highway 40 was? Yeah, if you guys see on the right side, that's the tunnel we did. So that's a Donner Tunnel trail. Beautiful. Look at this amazing view we had. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo woo! There's the rock climbing guys over here. So that's the trail we done here on the left side. So we did an entire left side and the entire right side. It was cool. This is the Scenic View. This is a rainbow bridge. They call it rainbow bridge this. So it's pretty nice. It's like a rainbow. That's why they call it rainbow bridge. Super cool, eh? Does it stop there? I believe we need it, right? It's just a couple minutes. Oh! Okay guys, if you guys see straight on the front, that's a tunnel we done. That's a Donner tunnel trail. Look at that guy, he's doing rock climbing there. Right here. You see?
Where? Oh yeah, he's rock climbing right there.
Right there, look at that guy.
I can't see him.
Oh, acá.
Yeah.
¿Pero qué no está haciendo? Está ahí,
No, he's right there in the top, in the middle.
Oh yeah, mira, leones.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's so cool. Okay, if you don't like to hike, come here and drive over here. That's amazing. And it's gonna be worth it for spending your gas here, guys. Beautiful views. You don't need to hike. Just come and drive slow down over here like I'm doing now. We did today like over 13 miles, which was pretty nice. 13 miles lost. Matthew, so he did probably 0 miles. Okay, let's go guys. Look where we are. We are at Donner Lake. Woohoo!